Hey everybody, so it's Alderbear Art here and I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing an About Me video, which is also slash a Q&A. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below and I will answer them. But I am doing an About Me video because I have reached over 500 subscribers. I'm at like 600 right now. I meant to do this earlier, but I am doing this type of video because, of course, I've reached a subscriber milestone, and I don't normally do these types of videos. I mainly do tutorials and explanations and stuff on my channel, so I figured I could do something a little bit different, connect with you a little bit, I guess. I don't know. I just want to connect my audience and stuff because I try to reply to as many comments and stuff as possible, so I figured this is something a little bit different I could do to add to that. So, hi, I'm going to answer a couple questions that I get asked once in a while, but also if you guys have any more, please leave them down below and I will be happy to reply to you. First of all, my name. If you didn't know, my name is Allie or Alden, which is why I'm called Alda Bear Art. I love cats and bears. That's where the bear came from. And of course, art because art. I used to be called Alpal45 on this channel, and I used to do Roblox and Minecraft gaming videos on here, mainly tutorials and stuff and glitches. And I actually got a little bit popular for that, but I've mainly switched this into an art channel now that I'm a little bit older, but I'm still doing like gaming videos related to that stuff. Like, not necessarily gaming videos unless you guys want to see that, because I can totally do that. I love playing Minecraft and Sims and stuff, but I've mainly transformed this into an art channel that includes like video game characters and stuff. So I'm currently 20 years old and I am married to a 19-year-old and his name is Steve, or Esteban. Esteban is his full name, but everybody just calls him Steve. We got married in June of 2020. We've been together since June 2017. We did meet online. We met through an Amino that I was sharing my art on. We have two pets. Their names are June and Allie. June is the daughter of Allie. She was named Allie because my husband hadn't quite moved in with me yet, and he wanted to annoy me by calling the cat the same name. So, yes. June is the daughter of Allie. She had June before we could get her fixed, so she's fixed now, but she had a litter of kittens beforehand. So I got into art. So I got into art because I wanted to create cover arts for my fan fictions when I was like 11 years old. I was writing My Little Pony and also Percy Jackson fan fictions, and I saw people like Vera on Tumblr and also DeviantArt, and I saw a bunch of artists, but I was mainly inspired by, I think it's Vera or Veria, not sure, but she was posting Percy Jackson fan arts, and I really wanted to create my own artwork for these fanfiction cover arts because I didn't really want to steal other people's artwork, and I wanted to have something that was my own and unique, and I couldn't draw, so I started watching old BronyCon videos. There was like these panels where they were teaching you how to draw My Little Pony, and I really got into that. So when I ended up going to BronyCon myself in like 2014, I was like 13 years old. They were doing these, like a lot of these tutorial panels basically with animators from the show, and they were showing you how to draw My Little Pony. But by that point I had already watched quite a bit of videos, and I wasn't as interested in the panels as I thought I'd be, probably because I was just like a bored old 13-year-old. I didn't appreciate it enough. I wish I'd paid more attention then, because it would have been really cool to see what these animators were doing. But I actually have a photo of myself from BronyCon. I might put it up here. This might be from my mom's Facebook or whatever, but you can see me like drawing really close to the paper. I was drawing with Sharpies, drawing my own little characters, and not really paying attention to like the little lecture that was going on. But after that, I started to appreciate stuff a little bit more, luckily. But I really wanted to just draw my own fan fiction cover art, and that's why I got into fan art, and I wanted to be able to like draw my stories that I was creating. I still have my fan fictions up, and it's under a different username. It's not Alpal45 and it's not Aldabear, but it's still up on fanfiction.net, and to this day I still get email notifications from people commenting on it. So hopefully one day I'll be able to fully rewrite those horrible fan fictions, because they were great ideas to start with. They were just poorly executed. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to rewrite them and create comics for them, because that would have been fulfilling Little Me's dreams. And my whole goal with art is to fulfill Little Me's dreams. I want to be able to create my characters and bring them to life. So that's why I draw. And I got into my art business because I started sharing fan art on Amino, and I had some of my online friends come up to me and say, hey, do you do commissions? And at the time I couldn't accept PayPal or anything because I wasn't quite 18. I hadn't asked my mom yet. So I started accepting gift cards and stuff because that was the only other option I could think of at the time. So that's how I got into my art business, and that's how I got into art. And yeah, I really started getting into anime and stuff more than My Little Pony after a little while because after I had drawn My Little Pony for so long, I ended up drawing anime characters because I was in like this 2D side-scrolling game called Latte for a while, and I really wanted to draw anime characters. And also, if I knew if I could draw anime characters, I could also draw my Percy Jackson characters. So that's why I got that more. I started watching a bunch of YouTube tutorials from like Mark Curley and stuff at the time. And yeah, my original sketchbooks I had were of My Little Pony characters. That actually came from a Big Lots sketchbook I had gotten. For a long time, I was buying really bad, cheap art supplies. I could have gotten a lot better stuff for the amount of money I had, but I didn't know any better. So I was buying like these Big Lots sketchbooks, and when I was cleaning my room once, I threw them out because I did not like my artwork. So I think some of the biggest advice I can give you guys is if you're into art right now and you're a newbie, don't throw out any of your art. I wish I had that to look back on, and I really regret that. Luckily, I have some of my first anime sketchbooks and stuff. I just don't have those original sketchbooks I had full of My Little Pony characters from when I really first started getting into drawing, but I am a little bit regretful about that. But yeah, so that was my name, my age, my relationship, pets, why I got into art, and how I got my business started. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. I do have a Discord I've started, and it's going to be linked down below in the comments. It's still under construction. This is my first time running a Discord, but I've already had some people join, and some people are interested in being moderators soon, so hopefully I'll be able to get some people to run it for me because I'd really rather focus my energy and time into this channel and my art commissions rather than trying to spread myself too thin because I already have social media managed, so I'm probably going to be hiring some people to manage that for me. I'll still be active in it, I just won't be moderating it. So yeah, if you're interested in my Discord where I do talk a lot, I will leave the link down below in the comments. So yeah, this video is a little bit different than normal. I hope I didn't bore you guys out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, I will see you all later. And